Hi everyone, Ray from Amelia Park Children's Museum here. Today we're making colorful rain paintings. Here's everything that you'll need. Let's start by drawing the place where the rain is going to be falling. You can draw anywhere you want, or anyone you want. I'm going to draw a little silhouette of Amelia Park Children's Museum. Next, we'll add the clouds at the top of the page. You can use glue, but I ran out, so I'm using tape. Time to get your paint ready. You can use any kind of paint you want for the rain. I'm using watercolors. Whatever you use, just make sure it's nice and watery so that it'll run down the page. Before you start your rain painting, you might want to protect your table. Then, tilt your painting up and use your brush to let the raindrops fall from the top. Depending on how many different colors you use, you can make all sorts of different patterns and designs. It's really fun to experiment. And when you're finished, just let it dry.